Welcome to the comprehensive review of WP Host, the ultimate game changer in the world of WordPress website hosting. As we delve deeper into the WP hosting universe, we'll see what sets it apart from the rest. WP Host is not just another web hosting service. It's a robust WordPress hosting solution, engineered to redefine your digital presence. WP Host doesn't just host your WordPress website, it supercharges it for peak performance. WP Host offers unlimited hosting for websites and domains on Ultraport Servers, allowing you to host and market an unlimited number of WordPress websites and domains. With blazing fast load times and limitless bandwidth, managing high traffic volumes becomes effortless, all at no extra cost. Security and maintenance are paramount with WP Host. Enjoy end-to-end SSL encryption for complete website and data safety, free website migration without any downtime, one-click WordPress installation, malware scanning, and enhanced DOS protection. But that's not all. WP Host boasts an intuitive user interface, sophisticated control panels, and round-the-clock dedicated customer support, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users alike. And let's talk about financial benefits. Say goodbye to recurring charges with WP Host's competitive one-time pricing structure. Plus, gain access to premium WordPress themes and plugins, at no additional cost. Key features of WP Host. Load all your business websites and domains at jet speed. Never worry for losing precious data to hackers and spammers. Stop paying big to below par hosting companies. Never worry for website downtime or servers getting hacked. Stop losing customers due to site loading error or slow loading speed. Boost website performance, traffic, sales and conversions. But who is WP Host best for? WP Host caters to a diverse audience, from business owners and marketers to bloggers and agencies. Whether you're an individual running a personal blog or a large business with multiple websites, WP Host has got you covered. And here's where it gets exciting. Discover profitable ways to make money with WP Host. Start your own reseller hosting business or offer website development services to clients, leveraging WP Host's lightning-fast load times and enhanced security features. But what about the pros and cons? Pros include unlimited website hosting, blazing fast load times, free SSL encryption, one-click WordPress installation, and enhanced security features. I haven't found any other issues with WP Host review yet. In conclusion, WP Host revolutionizes WordPress hosting with its potent combination of speed, security, and savings. It's not just hosting, it's a WordPress revelation. Act now, grab this never-seen-before WordPress hosting technology, before the price shoots up. You should grab it from the official website. Official website link is mentioned in the description. Visit our website to order now.